I'm making myself sound crazy, aren't I? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. But if you're new here, then welcome to my channel. My name's Noah, and today I'm going to be sharing with you guys what I got at Hobby Lobby recently. I do have to say that I think I like Hobby Lobby more than Home Goods now, which is so crazy because I've been obsessed with Home Goods for so long, and I don't know, I've always thought Hobby Lobby was kind of lame. Like, they never had cute stuff, but recently I've been going there like once a week, which is terrible. But I've been finding so many good things to the point where like I have to tell myself like, no, I can't spend that much. Whereas when I go to Home Goods, I'm like, bro, where I need something to buy. Like, I came here to get something and I can't find anything. So I don't know what it is, if their merchandising is different, if my style has just changed, but I don't think so. I think Hobby Lobby has stepped up their game. So I'm really excited to share with you guys today what I got. I did get a bunch of plant stuff and they had a really good sale, and that's the other thing, is they always have things on sale, which Home Goods never has a sale. I feel like I can't remember last time Home Goods has a sale because it's a discount store already. So but their prices are a lot higher, I believe, than Hobby Lobby. So yeah, they had this 40% off spring sale and I just kind of went crazy. Honestly, I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I have more stuff than I even am gonna share with you guys today, but a lot of it is just like pots, like plant pots, which I actually did a video on already, and a few other things that are just kind of like quirky knickknacks that I spent my money on, and then a few things I can't find. Let's just go ahead and get started. Enough rambling. Let me share with you guys what I got at Hobby Lobby. So I went in looking for like plant decor ideas, and I found this little mini plant stand. It is the cutest thing I've ever seen, you guys. The wood is such a pretty color. I love this color wood. It's so cute that it could definitely be like a tabletop plant stand, which is cool, or it could be used on the floor if you have a long plant, like a tall plant. So I'm currently using it on the floor for my Birds of Paradise, and it just looks so cute. And I've been looking for something like this, and I wish I would have saved the prices, but I did not. I want to say it was like, oh, I can't even remember, but it was cheap, you guys. Like, I have a big version of this from Target that was like $100, and if this would be at Target, this would easily be $30 or $40, but it was like less than 10, I want to say, at Hobby Lobby. So super happy about this find. I did want a bunch of like plant decor stuff, so I also got this hanging pot right here. I'm looking for hanging stuff, so I found this, and it's just a simple white pot, but it kind of has like some detailing to it. I don't know if it'll pick up on camera, like ridging, like almost like ribbed material. There we go. You can kind of see it. And it has this cute string with these cute little wooden beads, which is so my style. And it does not have a drainage hole, but I use this as like a cover pot. I would put like a nursery pot in there. Like, let me just even grab one. Maybe not like this pink syngonium, but something like this. I think this would look good actually. And hang it up like that, so I don't need it to have a drainage hole. So I really am excited to use this, but recently I've just been thinking like that I'm putting all these holes in the wall and hooks on the wall here in this apartment, and I'm not planning on staying here. So I'm actually just gonna put this in storage and use it for when I move, which is so crazy because like, why did I buy it now? But that's just my logic. I do think that when I do purchase my home, which hopefully is within the next year or so, I will go to Hobby Lobby to like completely furnish my home, because their decor and their stuff that I found there was so cute. If you do not follow me on Instagram at Casa Rozay, when I went shopping, I posted everything that I had found that I had really loved. So I'll insert a few clips here of some of the stuff that I found, but you should definitely go follow my Instagram so that you see that all the time. And I definitely want to go back there for when I am ready to buy my house and decorate it. Keeping that in mind, I got another hanging planter, but this is a macrame. But this macrame is different than most because it has like a basket, which I feel like most of them don't. Like, it's very sturdy, and I just thought this was cute. Again, I'm not even gonna hang it now. I just wanted to have it for when I do move. I'm so crazy. I just couldn't pass it up. It was really cute and affordable. Okay, so this next thing I'm gonna share with you guys is so lame, but it's so cute. Like, I feel like you could find this at Home Depot, but like I've never really ventured to go look. You probably could, but this is so freaking cute. So it is this hook right here, and It's the style, it looks like an old pipe basically. It's extremely heavy, and I just picture this for plants. You can basically just drill this into the wall, and this definitely would need anchors since it is so heavy. And I just picture some, like not this planter, but like something that I think would match better hanging on off of it like that. I just absolutely love it. It's so my vibe. I would want to get like maybe an all brown pot, like maybe something like this. I just think would look really good together. So I got this one, and then I also got a white hook that's like distressed white, kind of shabby chicy again. Can't find it. My son was playing with it, so I took it from him and put it somewhere where he couldn't get it, and now I forgot where I put it. But I do love it, and I'm not gonna hang these again until I move. I just needed to have it. But yeah, I love that. Another thing I got was a blanket ladder, and I was actually on the hunt for a blanket ladder, so I went with the intention of hopefully finding one. I did go to a few stores before finding this one at Hobby Lobby, so I wasn't expecting to find it at Hobby Lobby, but I was very happy that I did. It's super farmhousey, and I'm not crazy about that, so if I could find like a plain wooden one with maybe like the painted legs, I would prefer that. So I'm not obsessed with this blanket ladder, but I do really like it. It's kind of like a gray weathered wood look, and I prefer something more like warm, not necessarily so gray. Like that's why I think I don't like farmhouse that much, because I prefer like warm tones, and farmhouse is a lot more cool tones. So that's the only thing I'm like whatever, but it does look really good with the other furniture that I have, so I don't mind, and I'm really just happy that I found a blanket ladder that's cute. Another thing I did was replace some of the knobs. I replaced the knobs on my TV entertainment center, and then also my son's dresser, kind of similar knobs. I used blue, they're like marble colored and then gold. So I got blue ones for his bedroom dresser, and then I got black ones for our entertainment console. So I really like how that came out, and it's just an easy way to like spice up some of your furniture and change it up a little bit. I saw a ton of cool knobs there that I definitely want to do like my dresser as well, but again, I'm gonna wait for that. So next thing I got is this really cool bottle opener at Hobby Lobby, and I really like it because it's kind of distressed looking, and it kind of reminds me of like being in a bar. And I hung it up right above my trash can so that when you're just opening a bottle, the bottle cap can fall right into the trash can. I've kind of always wanted that, so I'm surprised I didn't already have one, but I guess I had never really seen it in any stores, and it's not really something that I'm like, oh my god, I have to have it, so I go searching for it. So the fact that I kind of stumbled upon it at Hobby Lobby made me get it, so I really like that. So I also did get some decor for my son's room, nothing like too crazy. I really wanted some hooks for some of his coats and jackets, so I found these that look like trucks, and he's been obsessed with trucks, which of course lately he's been more into dinosaurs, but like it fluctuates, it changes every other week. So he was super obsessed with trucks, so I got that. He's mostly into like construction trucks, so I found this cool like tractor type just decor piece, and I just kind of wanted something in his room so it's not completely bare, so I did get that. And then along with the hooks, I just think they look so cute in his room, and I don't really need to do much else. The last thing I want to mention in this video is that I found this cool like blue clear type of jug, and I feel like this is so farmhousey, but again, I just gravitated towards it and really wanted it, so I picked this up. I did want my shelves decorated in my current place because I will be here for a year and I'm going to be looking at it all the time, so I kind of wanted that decorated, and I didn't have to put holes in the wall for it, so I kind of justified it that way. So I did end up getting this, and I really do like it. But yeah, that's it for this video. If you guys liked it, please don't forget to like this video so that I know to do more of them. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because I do post new videos every single Tuesday, Thursday, and Sunday. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Can't wait. Talk to you guys later. Bye.